Volonaut unveils the Airbike. The future of personal flight takes off. In a groundbreaking moment for the world of personal transportation, Volonaut has officially launched the Airbike, a revolutionary aerial vehicle that blends the ease of a motorcycle with the freedom of flight. This futuristic innovation marks a leap forward in urban mobility, integrating cutting-edge drone technology, lightweight materials, and intuitive controls into a compact, rideable aircraft. The Volonaut Airbike left audiences stunned as it effortlessly lifted off the ground, hovering smoothly with a rider on board. Designed for short-distance commutes and adventurous exploration, the Airbike is equipped with a sophisticated quadcopter system, featuring multiple high-thrust electric rotors and a precision stabilization module. This setup ensures not only flight stability but also safety and control even in moderate wind conditions. The Airbike's frame is crafted from aerospace-grade carbon fiber and aluminum alloy, minimizing weight without sacrificing strength. Volonaut emphasizes safety with redundant flight systems, emergency landing protocols, and advanced obstacle avoidance sensors. Its battery pack allows for approximately 30 minutes of flight per charge, ideal for short hops across urban or semi-rural landscapes. With a design language that merges stealth aesthetics and functional engineering, the Airbike appeals to tech enthusiasts, thrill seekers, and early adopters of airborne mobility. Volonaut's CEO described the launch as the dawn of a new era, where flying is no longer a dream of tomorrow, but a ride you can take today. Currently in limited production, the Airbike is expected to enter commercial availability by late 2025, with pilot training programs and strict regulations accompanying its rollout. Volonaut's Airbike is not just a product, it's a statement. The skies are open, and the future of transport has officially taken flight. For more updates, stay tuned for the latest information on Moto Rider. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can develop this channel together. Thank you and see you next time.